please watch the complete video because I'm going to show you how you can make it and what all are essential steps and how you can use it. So please watch the video carefully. And the cream is made using Elansa essential oils. Please check the link in description if in case you're interested in buying that, and just subscribe and like the video if in case you like it after watching the video. First, I'll tell you how to use it. Please clean your face very well. Remove any makeup or any dirt you have on your face. Even if you don't do makeup, if you are a boy, no matter what, you have to clean your face first, and you can definitely wash off your face with a nice face wash. And otherwise, if you're a girl and you are having makeup on, you can just use a nice good makeup remover. Like here I'm using Inveda makeup remover, which is a cleanser, toner and a moisturizer kind of thing, and it is amazing. After that, I am just taking the cream which I made and I'm applying it all over my face and neck area. I have taken 2 pea-sized amounts, and I'm only gonna apply this cream at night time because this cream has a photosensitive essential oil. So you are not allowed to apply this cream in the morning time, otherwise your skin will be damaged with the pigmentation. So please only use it at night time. And also, please watch the video carefully how to make it. Do not skip any part of the video because all the steps are essential. Full video is essential. I know it's a little bit longer, but please watch the video carefully. And also, always do a patch test before you start using a new product on your face, and especially essential oil. Apply a little bit on your hand first and leave it on your hand for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, check if everything is all right, your skin has got no damage by the product. Only then start using that product on your face. Otherwise, do not use that. Since the time I have started adding essential oils to my skincare routine, my skin is getting better day by day. My skin is glowing. My skin is becoming spotless. I have got reduced all my hormonal acne as well. Those acnes were really harsh because I'm suffering from PCOS currently, and it's not easy to deal with the acne that comes with it. But with regular brisk walk and also with some essential oils, I have finally overcome with the problem of my acne. About 80% my acne has been reduced. All my pimples are almost gone. I am not wearing very heavy foundation makeup or anything, but you cannot see any pimples. I'm wearing a very sheer coverage foundation, but still you cannot see the marks because it is getting better for sure. And also the pigmentation is getting reduced. My skin is glowing from inside. I wake up with a very beautiful skin every day. What I'm using, I have added in essential oils to my skincare routine. For example, I use this Look Gorgeous Gold Elixir during the night time, or I use any facial oil during the night time on my skin. And what I have added in it, I have added some essential oils, a beautiful blend of essential oil. You can simply add one essential oil of your choice of which suits your skin type, and you're good to go. Or you can make a customized blend as well, but for making customized blend you really need to have a good knowledge on it. You can Google out and search it out, what essential oil go with the other essential oil, so you can do it like that. So basically I have oily acne prone skin, and even if you do not have oily and acne prone skin, you can use these essential oils that I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you about 3 essential oils in this particular video, which are my top favorite essential oils after rose one, because the fragrance of rose is just so beautiful. By the way, I have told you how you can make your DIY gold elixir oil at home. And for that you need just one essential oil, or maybe you can use 2 or 3. I'll leave the link in the description box below, in which I have used Elansa Rose Essential Oil. And in this video I have these three: Elansa cedarwood essential oil. Then next I have this Elansa sweet orange essential oil, and the next I have is Elansa frankincense essential oil. All of these comes in this orange packaging because they are of the same family, and the essential oils of same family usually go very well with the essential oils of the same family. So it's really easy to recognize because of the packaging thing of Elansa essential oil. They have some purple packaging for the same family oils, they have red packaging for same family oils, they have orange packaging for the same family oils. So it's really easy to remember like what you have to use. You can use any essential oil of your preference, but you should always use the best quality ones, and Elansa essential oils have really nice and amazing quality. I have tested the product for 1 month. I use it in my DIYs. Many people have used it, many people have tried it, my cream in which I have added these essential oils, and they are having great results. So you can just trust the brand for sure. The packaging is beautiful, like it has a very luxury packaging. It is a 15 ml in quantity. Price is $3.99 to $4.99. discounts are also there. You can buy it from Amazon. I'll leave the links of these essential oils down there in the description box if you want to buy. Please check that. And now let's see how you can make your own cream through which you can get clear, glowing, spotless skin, and also your pigmentation will be reduced. You will have a beautiful fair skin as well, if in case you're interested in having fair skin. I personally love having fair skin for myself. I'm not saying that you should have fair skin. You look beautiful the way you are, but I love my skin to be fair, and because I'm already fair, so I like it to be a little more fair. So that's my preference. And anyways, even if you do not want fair skin, these essential oils blend is going to give you very beautiful, nice, gentle skin, young, very young, completely anti-wrinkle. You will get rid of your fine lines, you will get rid of your pigmentation, you will get rid of your acne, you will get rid of your all blemishes, and you will have spotless skin for sure when you will make this cream at your home. And by the way, if you're pregnant, then do not use any essential oil. If you're smaller than 16 years of age, then please avoid, and always do a patch test before you use essential oils, because they are really strong and they just need to be tested first before you use it on your skin. And never use them directly on your skin, otherwise your skin is gonna burn. Once I applied cinnamon oil directly on my face, and I remember that red face very well. So never do that. Always mix in 3 drops of essential oil to 10 ml of your carrier oil. Take 10 ml of your base oil or 10 ml of your cream, simple cream, and in 10 ml you can only add 3 drops of essential oil and not more than that. Only then you will have the beautiful benefits, otherwise no, your skin can get damaged as well. And also always keep that in mind that if you use lemon essential oil, if you use orange essential oil, if you use bergamot essential oil, like any of the essential oils which are citrusy, which are photosensitive essential oils, you cannot use them during the daytime. You can only apply the cream during the night time, because those essentials are photosensitive. If you go out in the sun, or even if you are inside the home but sun rays are coming on your face, you will get pigmentation on your face. So rather than having beautiful benefits, you will have bad skin, you will have bad pigmentation. So whenever you're using lemon essential oil or sweet orange essential oil, always use the product during the night time only. So now let's make the product. You can simply take any moisturizer that you use. Like for example, you can take Patanjali Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream. You can take Patanjali Aloe Vera Moisturizing Cream, which retails only for ₹75. And do not take a cream like this, like Jhelum face cream, which already has essential oils, like it has lavender, rose, geranium. Do not take a cream like that, because you will otherwise destroy the blend of essential oil. You cannot do that. You can make your own blend, but if you already have a essential oil blended cream, then don't do any chhed with it. You are not supposed to ruin it in any way. Okay, so just take a plain moisturizing cream. Like for example, I either take this Patanjali moisturizing cream or I take my Look Gorgeous serum. Okay, so Look Gorgeous serum does not have essential oils as such. It only has tea tree oil, very little bit in it, so there are no issues adding essential oils to it. So I add to it, or otherwise I take my carrier oil. I either take argan oil or a mixture of argan oil and sweet almond oil, depending on weather and my skin type at the moment. So that's how I take it. You can definitely make your elixir by this blend, or you can simply add it in your moisturizing cream. Your night cream will be ready after that. So I have taken here 10 ml of the product, almost 10 to 15 ml of the product. So in 10 to 15 ml, I'm supposed to add only 4 drops of essential oil, not more than that. So sweet orange essential oil is the one which helps in getting fairer skin, spotless skin, evening out skin. Also, it just helps in balancing the extra oils if you have oily skin, and also it helps in anti-aging process as well, and it has beautiful sweety orangey fragrance. So I'll just add 2 drops of this essential oil to my cream. Okay, so I have added 2 drops of this in the cream, and then close your essential oil as soon as it's possible. Do not let it open, otherwise it will evaporate and you will be left with nothing, and it will just lose its benefits. Do not leave them open ever, and always store them in cool and dry place. And also the one cream which you're making, store it in cool and dry place only. So I've added in here. Okay, I have done my research very well before I'm blending these 3 together, so you can trust on this one. But do not blend any oil with any essential oil without having the correct knowledge. Okay, so you can only go with the sweet orange essential. It is good enough. You can go with this only and you're good to go. Otherwise you can simply take frankincense essential oil and you're good to go. These 3 are perfect for all skin types, so you can do that. So frankincense essential oil, I'm going to take 1 drop. It helps in getting fair and beautiful and spotless skin, plus at the same time it helps in getting rid of pigmentation and anti-wrinkle as well. So I've added 1 drop of it, and then also do not shake the bottles of essential oil. Never shake it, because bubbles will form and it will lose its life like very soon, so don't do that. So frankincense essential oil has beautiful fragrance again, and it just makes the skin beautiful, very beautiful, and all these 3 blended together are going to give a lovely fragrance at the end of the day. Cedarwood essential oil. Cedarwood essential oil is so damn good for your acne. You will get rid of your acne for sure if you use cedarwood essential oil. It is so damn good for your acne, for dry skin, for oily skin, for normal skin as well. So 1 drop of this I'm gonna add into it. Now after I'm done, I just have to mix these really well. And what I'm gonna do, I'll not use any spoon or anything, as I don't have that right now, and also I don't want to put my finger inside it right now. So what I'll do, I'll just rub it in my hands like this, like I'm doing right now. For 15 to 30 seconds you have to do it, and it will be blended nicely. Make sure to not add more than 3 to 4 drops in your 15 ml. Okay, the best way is to take 10 ml or 30 ml, and in 10 ml add 3 drops, in 30 ml add 9 drops. That's it. And also, if you're only taking the one essential oil, like for example you're only taking cedarwood, then you can add 3 drops of cedarwood essential oil in 10 ml of cream. But if you're taking these 3, then you only have to add one drop, 1 each of all these 3 essential oils, not 3 each. Keep that in mind. This cream is really moisturizing on skin. Plus it's not that it is going to be oily on your skin, not at all, because these essential oils actually balance out the excess oil on your face. So basically your excess oil will be balanced. You will not at all feel stickiness on your face. You will feel very nice, smooth and supple skin, very nice and supple skin, and within 5 days you will start seeing the results. Just wash off your face really well at the night time using a nice face wash. After that, what you will do, you can apply your toner if you want to. Otherwise, just simply apply this cream and you're good to go. Just apply it at night, and in the morning you will see your face is glowing for sure. Okay, and also after 5 to 7 days you will see the results. You will see your face is getting better day by day. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and if in case you want to buy these essential oils, then I'm gonna leave the link down there in the description box below. You can buy it from Amazon, as this Elansa essential oil is available only on Amazon currently. And you can also check out the video of DIY rose gold elixir oil on my channel, so that link you will also find down there in the description. So make sure to check that as well and enjoy the beautiful skin at home with lovely essential oils.